Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. So today we are going to be doing one. We're going to be doing a Roblox. Wait, hold on. We're going to be showing you the new update in Royal High. No, I don't know if you've seen the new update yet or not, but if you haven't, I'm technically here to explain the whole update. So you're going to go here and you go to Royal High 3. You're going to do this whole longer kind of thing to get your magic. You'll need to do an obby, blah, blah, blah. But yeah. Anyways, I already got my powers. I chose dark. And I stayed with it. Can't really show you the portal that you open when you get your magic. Before you get your magic. Now before you get your magic, you go down here. Now you can't, I don't think you can't fly when you're taking the tutorial, but I'm going to fly. Though it's quicker. Go down this path. Through here. Over to this rock right here. And this is what's going to happen. So you're going to get this portal. And you're going to go through it. This is where you're going to do the magic obby. So I'm technically going to do the dark one again. That way I can show you if you go on dark what you have to do for the obby. And a tutorial to get the dark. This thing is practically a tutorial for people who pick the dark powers in Royal High. However, after this part, there's a part that gets pretty tricky if you're not good at those really cross a very, very skinny line. So we're going to go in here. This portal. I don't like this music. It just seems sad. You have to walk all the way down these stairs, but I'm going to fly. You have to just don't look down. You technically just gonna skip it a little bit. You have to be very careful. Shoot. No. Shoot. Very careful. There, I completed it without flying there. Beware. Go across here. And you go this way to the next checkpoint. You have to do these questions. Why does it get dark during nighttime? The earth rotates and blocks the sun during the night, causing a shadow of the sun. Luminosity fades over time once its solar energy lights it must recharge and restores proteins before functioning. This one. Earth rotates and blocks the sun during night casts over the sun at the end of the world. And this bridge is going to pop up. Correct. Earth is orbiting, rotating around the sun at full rotation, taking 24 hours darkness. How many planets are there in our solar system, excluding Pluto? The answer is 8. This bridge is going to pop up again. It's going to say, correct, there are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, true or false? True or false? Some parts of the mortal world experience nighttime darkness for more than 24 hours. This is true. This is true, everybody. And the stairs are going to come up. And I'm going to fly over these stairs to make it clear. True, it's called portal. Jump if you dare to join the element of darkness. You practically just jump off. What the heck? Go through here. It's where I got school for fairies and mermaids. And you just end up back where I started, and you're gonna have your wings. It's gonna make you do a little bit more tutorial, showing you a few things. I'm gonna get a few things for your dorm, so I'm gonna show you guys my dorm real quick. Before I end the video, I'm gonna show you guys my dorm. To get to your dorm, for those who ask, some of you asking, how do you get to the dorm? And go through here into this area. You turn around, go up, and student dormies. Gotta scan the student ID that she gives you, that the Poppy gives you in the front office. I might do a full tutorial of showing the Royal High Castle around. What happened? Oh, there we go. Show you my dorm before I'm gonna I'm gonna do a tutorial of showing a tour of the whole Royal High Castle for those of you who haven't completed the things yet. They're not completely yet. So you're gonna fly up these stairs and find one that's glowing rainbow. Because that's one that hasn't been claimed. So right here, glowing rainbow, unlock with key. And slide. Mobile, you slide up. For PC, I have no idea. Probably the push a button or slide over here. I don't have very much diamonds. As you can see, I am broke. Because I spent it all on this very expensive stuff. So I have a mattress, a pillow, a computer, a phone. The computer's free. Phone, you can put your gloves on the ground, but you can also put some of your stuff. And got tea stuff over here. Yeah. I'm going to decorate more. Baby penguin on the bed. Cute, the baby penguin gonna go there. Decorate over here. Skirts. Why is this skirt so long? Gosh. guys. Don't understand this at all, bro. Well, I'm gonna edit my dorm a little bit, and I'll show you guys when I do the whole castle tour, which I'm probably gonna do that pretty soon. Anyways, thank you for joining me, and I'm very happy you watched this. If you watched this till the end, comment. If you watch this to the end, if you watch this full video all the way to the end without skipping, comment darkness down below. If you skipped a little bit, that was okay. If you skipped a little bit, put moonlight if you skipped a little bit. Okay? Alright, well, thank you for watching. Bye, everybody.